Hey guys, it's Jim from Middleton Motorsports. We are going to bring you an exciting video today here. Look what we have with us. An antimatter 2021 GT500 carbon track pack. And we're going to give it its first wash. This will not be a paint correction decon, but as you can see coming off the truck here, it's got a lot of opportunity, and we're going to give it a quick wash from the showroom floor. The great news is that there will be an opportunity here shortly on our channel. We're going to announce that you will have an opportunity to win this vehicle right here. So that's big news, exciting news. More to come there real shortly. But the purpose of this is we want to show you how we wash, detail cars here at Middleton Motorsports. You can see an array of our cars here. We have two 500s back there with roll bars and harnesses ready for the track. Come and go on to Road America here in a couple weeks. We have the twin turbo mod that's going on with this GT350. Chuck's been talking about that on some prior videos. We're really excited about that. But right now, we're here to give this antimatter 2021 GT500 track pack its first wash. But if you come over here, this is what we put together. It's really all in one kit to wash our cars. We got some of this stuff from Obsessed Garage. As you can see, we have the Kranzel power washer, which we think is just absolutely fantastic. We have more than 100 foot of hose here, so we can pretty much take this thing out into the parking lot if we want. And it's stocked full of all the chemicals that we feel we need to do a quick wash and or a deep clean, decon, and paint correction. We like to use the Adams products. We think that's some of the best. And then we are big fans of the Bead maker as a drying agent, and then the brake buster to help with the wheels. So we're going to run through this pretty quickly, show you our process, and more importantly, highlight the car here that is the centerpiece of this video. So we're going to get started. We're going to pull out our buckets. As you can see, they're nicely decorated with the wheels for this bucket. We have wash bucket and then a rinse bucket. And we always recommend some sort of guard at the bottom here to scrub the brush to keep the rocks and debris off the car. That's the most important thing. So we're going to get started here and fill up the buckets, get the wheels going, and we'll be right back. Okay, we did some prep work to get this thing prepared. Again, using for the brakes, we're going to always start with the wheels first, and we'll do that with the brake buster. You can see we have the MTM foam cannon here. This has got the brake buster wheel foam in it, and then this has for the foam wash, the Adams car shampoo. What's interesting, before we get on the car, I thought it was interesting. This is that antimatter 2021 new color. You may not be able to see it on the video, but it actually has a black vinyl over the top stripe. Hopefully after we wash it, you will be able to see the stripe, but I think it's gonna look awesome when it's clean. You can barely see the blue right now, but I think that'll pop. So let's get started on the wheels. Through Obsessed Garage, we were able to set ourselves up. I mean, all these, the gun here is all quick disconnect, which is fantastic, makes life really easy. So we're going to start off by spraying down and rinsing the wheels first. And as you know, these wheels are the carbon fiber track wheels, carbon fiber wheels, which are first time rinsing and washing the carbon fiber wheels. Okay. Now, to do a proper wash the first time, if you want to spend a little bit more time on the wheels, you know, it's nice to get a lot of the stickers off the wheel when it comes from the factory. There's also some of these little nibs that people cut off. I don't cut them off, but I've seen folks cut them off online. But as you can see, one quick spray with the wash, I mean, those carbon fiber wheels are awesome. Awesome. I always spray away from the car first in case it pops off. I think one of the most important tools when doing the wheels is this brush right here. I'm not sure the name of it. I picked it up on Amazon. We picked a couple of them up for the shop here on Amazon. It really is nice because it gets in, you know, into the wheel well above the rotors, even with this tight space here. And it's non-abrasive, so I'm really not worried about the carbon fiber wheels at all with this brush. And these big, huge calipers. We got this brush here. Kind of get through the spokes, and it's all rubber, so you might seem like I'm hitting the wheel, but I'm really not doing any damage whatsoever. And then we use Adam tire cleaner and rubber cleaner. And this is where I would spend a little bit more time to get some of the stickers off. You can see, look how that's the dirt coming off just from the spray, just from the factory and the transportation. Again, I'm not hitting the carbon fiber wheels. I don't know about all you, but that's pretty satisfying to me. God, that wheel looks nice. I think it's, I don't know, for those of you probably seen by now, but the inside, this spray that the Ford puts on the carbon fiber wheels for, you know, heat reduction, I think it'd be interesting if that could have come in black as opposed to white, but it's there for a reason. Okay, so we just finished all 4 wheels. They look fantastic. The carbon fiber wheels are absolutely incredible. That's my car over there, and unfortunately I don't have those, but they are sharp. So now we're going to move to washing the car. So we'll put the big wand on here. Again, let's disconnect. These are so sweet. Just going to give it a quick rinse, and then we'll foam it. And you know, we foam on a car that isn't as quite as dirty. We'll usually just wash when we'll let the foam rest and sit and run off the car, and then we'll wash it with the 2-bucket method. But in this case, because the car is so dirty, we're gonna foam it, we're gonna rinse the foam off, and then we're gonna foam it again and then wash it. So one extra step here due to how dirty this car is, and in fact that's a 2021 carbon fiber track pack car. So here we go. Okay, so we've just finished rinsing. We put the MTM foam cam, we have the Adam soap. It's about 1/3 of the soap to water here. It's probably a little bit more than you need, but as you see, we'll get a pretty good foam. I also want you to notice that how quiet the Kranzel power washer actually is. You know, I have one at home, an electric one, and it's pretty loud compared to this. It's nice and quiet. So we're gonna just foam this car up now. Okay, so as you can see, this is about 5 minutes of sit time with the foam on it. And again, this is the original foaming. We're going to rinse it and then foam one more time just due to the fact that the car was so dirty. We're going to rinse it. We're not going to rinse it, too thoroughly here. We are going to foam it one more time. We have about half of it left. Okay. Now we're done with the foam. We'll let that sit. Not quite as long. Last time was about 5 minutes. We will got the 2 buckets over here, a rinse bucket and a wash bucket. Once again, this is the second time foaming it. And as you all know, just straight back and forth. Start with the top and work your way down. This soap is incredible. And I, rinse the sponge often. Rub it on the grate. If it needs soap. Work the wear out of the car. This wave is tremendous. It's incredible. Huge. You see it on camera, you see it on video, but when you see it in person, it's incredible. I think it's going to be one of those colors that look, of course, better when it's clean. Okay, so here we're just rinsing off the car for the last time, so do a more thorough rinse. Start from the top, get in all the cracks. I'm trying to get all the soap out. Okay, so we just finished spraying and washing, rinsing. Now we're going to dry it. We like to use here at Middleton Motorsports, we have an electric leaf blower, if you will, the Ego 56 volt lithium. It does the job, the charge lasts long enough. It just helps to get the water off the car, the beading off the car, and gets the cracks and crevices. So then you'll see we'll follow up with the drying agent and towels after we do this step. This just gets the bulk of the water off, so then we can really focus on the drying agent and the towel. So we'll run through this here. bead maker as a drying agent, and you know, work our way around the car again from the top down, continuously folding towel. And I, you know, like to spray a ton of this. Be liberal with the bead maker. And, you know, you put this on anything: glass, carbon, trim. Yeah, the straight lines. The black stripes. I don't know about the black stripes here. I think they're real subtle. Good look, but you know, maybe a white stripe could have been nice too. Well, hey, thanks everybody for joining us on this first wash of this 2021 carbon fiber track pack antimatter blue. I think it's a fantastic color. It's one that's new for 2021. It has the over-the-top black vinyl stripes. And remember, I know we've said it a few times, you'll have a chance to win this car. Please, in a future video, we will communicate those details. But you can look up on Cruise for a Cause, that's the number 4. We'll have some of the details there as well. But more to come there. Please like and subscribe to our channel. We're just starting off. As you can see, we have a passion for cars, and not just for GT500s or GT350s, but we have BMWs, we have Porsches, we have more to come, maybe even some Broncos in the future. But really excited about this. Please check us out on our Instagram as well. And thanks for joining. Take care, everybody.